Sydney.
Hello students and hello parents and Sawadee. Good morning everybody. Today Teacher Bibi is here with the new topic, and Teacher Bibi already told the student every week we have a new topic and we have a teach in the detail all the topic in 5 days, and Teacher Bibi is today with the topic is of this week is Mother's Day. Student, do you know in Thailand, all Thailand we celebrate Mother's Day. Why we celebrate? Because the birthday of the Queen of Thailand. The Queen of Thailand birthday and Mother Day we celebrate together, because the Queen of Thailand is the mother of the nation. So we celebrate Mother Day. So all students, they celebrate Mother's Day in school, in everywhere, all the Thailand. Only Thailand, no world, okay? Only Thailand. So in the Thailand, we celebrate Mother's Day because of the Queen birthday, okay? So Teacher Bibi is going to teach the Mother's Day. Today's topic is Mother's Day. So here we go, Teacher Bibi go through the PowerPoint, and student listen Teacher Bibi and repeat, okay? So here we go. M O T H E R, mother, like a S is, okay? So we say mothers, mothers. D A Y, day, Mother's Day, okay? This week our topic is Mother's Day, okay? Remember, Mother's Day, okay? Why we have a Mother's Day? Teacher Bibi going to teach next. Did you know Teacher Bibi asked the student who is she? Did you know who is she? Queen of Thailand, yes. Her name is Queen Sirikit, okay? In English we say Queen Sirikit. Queen Sirikit, name of the queen, okay? In world, when you go in all the world, they ask what is the name of the Queen of Thailand? Queen Sirikit, Queen of Thailand, mother of the nation, okay? Mother of the Thai nation. Queen Sirikit, Queen Sirikit, Queen of Mother of Thailand, okay? Mother of the Thai nation, Mother of the Thailand. Next, birthday, Queen Sirikit birthday. Okay, Queen Sirikit birthday when? 12th August. 12th August. Queen Sirikit birthday. Queen Sirikit birthday 12 August. Okay, 12th August. What is the symbol of the Mother Day? Last week Teacher Bibi teach you the name of the flower. Teacher Bibi told you flower, the symbol of the Mother Day. What flower? Jasmine flower is the symbol of the Mother Day. When is the Mother Day? We put the flower of jasmine flower. Give flower to mother, jasmine flower, okay? Jasmine flower. Symbol of the Mother Day, jasmine flower. Royal duties, royal activity. What is mother of the Thailand and the Queen Thailand do? She look after the nation. She help the nation, okay? Royal duties. What she do? She look after the nation. She help the nation. So we say royal duties. Royal duties. Mother Day card. Student, this is school closed, school is open, you are in the school, teacher or teach you how to draw the Mother Day card, how you make, how you color, and you give to your mom, okay? So this Mother Day, what we do, we draw and make the card for our mom, okay? So we say Mother Day card. Mother's Day card. The student draw mother. Can you see on the there? Mother's Day card. Activity of the Mother Day. What we do on the Mother Day? Student, what we do? When the Mother Day, what we do? Give food to the monk. When the Mother Day, the mother and the son or daughter go to give food to the monk. Okay, go to the temple. Sometime go to the temple. Sometime they give food to the monk in the school. Monk is come. Okay, give food to the monk. Give food to the monk. Okay, Mother Day activity in the school. What we do in the school? We do the activity of Mother's Day. Okay, at school what we do? Mother Day activities. Mother Day activities. Okay, students, what do you do? Pray the mother. Pray to the mother. Respect the mother. We can say pray to the mother. Respect to the mother. Okay. And this is give Mother Day card. We card give to the mother. We have a draw the card. We make a card. Every student make in all school. And when the mother is come, give card to the mother. Okay. Give Mother Day card to mother. Give card to the mother. Give card to the mother. Okay. And this one the last, the all Thailand, the government activities. Government celebrate Mother Day. The government celebrate Mother Day. Okay. Celebrate Mother Days. Celebrate Mother Days. Okay. So students, we go back. Teacher BB one more time repeat it, and you will be please speak with Teacher BB. Maybe it's difficult for the student. You didn't read before this one, but Teacher BB teach one time, and one school open, Teacher BB teach again, and you will be remember. Okay. This week our topic is Mother's Day. Mother's Day. M-O-T-H-E-R-S. Mothers. D-A-Y. Day. Mother's Day. This week our topic Mother's Day. Queen Sirikit. Queen Sirikit. Queen of Thailand. Queen Sirikit. Queen of Thailand. Mother of the nation. Mother of the nation. Queen Sirikit. Queen of Thailand. Mother of the nation. Okay. Queen birthday. Queen birthday. Queen Sirikit birthday. 12 August. Queen Sirikit birthday. 12 August. Symbol of Mother Day. Symbol of Mother Day. Jasmine flower. Jasmine flower. Mother Day flower. Mother Day flower. We can say Mother Day flower. Jasmine flower. Royal duties. Royal duties. What queen did? What queen doing? Look after the nation. Okay. Royal duties. Mother Day card. Student draw Mother Day card. Mother Day card. Okay. What activity of the Mother Day? What we do? Activity of Mother Day. Give food to the monk. Give food to the monk. School activity. Mother Day. Okay. What school do on the Mother Day? School activities. School activities. Pray to the mother. Mother come to school. Student, you pray your mom. Okay. Pray to the mother. Give card to the mother. Give card to mother. Give card to mother. nation activity on Mother Day, okay? Nation activity, all Thailand, what to do the Mother Day, okay? We say government activities, nation activities, nation celebrate, okay? Nation celebrate Mother Day, nation celebrate Mother Day. So student, this is Teacher BB teach today the Mother's Day. Why we have a Mother's Day? Who is she? I teach, ask to you. Who is there the Mother Day? We ask, who is this? The question I ask to you, who is she? Student, you must know this is the Queen of Thailand, okay? The mother of the Thai nation. She is the mother of the Thai nation. Mother Day, Mother Day, Queen Sirikit, Queen Sirikit, Queen of Nation, Mother of Nation, Queen Sirikit, Mother of Nation, Mother Day, okay? Mother's Day. So here we have a stop our topic, this one, this PowerPoint here. Teacher will be teach you about the Mother's Day, and students, some word you will be remember: Mother's Day, Queen Sirikit, Mother of the Nation. Mother Day, Queen Sirikit, Mother of the Nation, okay? Hope you will be remember this one. Parent will help the kids, and hope you will be all enjoy this video. Thank you and bye bye. สวัสดีค่ะ